Today's analysis video is brought to you by Forex. With Forex, traders can have access to over 300 trading instruments from the stocks to the crypto to the commodities and also Forex and indices. And you can also get a convenient trading, mobile trading that can help you stay connected to the market. Forex is currently offering a 30% deposit bonus, whereby once you deposit, you will get 30% bonus. To be part of this, right, all you just need to do is visit instaforex.com. You will find the link in the description. Now, starting with this trend for the day right here on GBPUSD. GBPUSD is literally an uptrend move. This is our trend. So once we see that market is in an uptrend move, there must be a pullback. Now, pay attention to this movement. This is our daily time frame. Now, you can see that there is a massive bullish move candlestick right here. Market has been closing bullish for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So about 5 days right straight. Market has literally given us this bullish move. So once you have a bullish move, know that once there's an eye, which is this bullish, a pullback will most likely going to play out. So it is this pullback we are currently expecting, and let's see if it will actually come to a level of 1.36234. This is the level probably we should expect it to drop to, which is a level of 1.1.36234. So if markets can pull back to a level of 1.36234, then we might now look for a buy again. So what we are just looking for is a drop to our support zone, then the massive bullish move. Because I want you guys to know that market is definitely going to give us a reaction at this zone right here. There's going to be a reaction. There's going to be a rejection at this support zone. Remember, there have been a rejection at the support zone right here. You can see it right here. You can also see it right here, and you can also see it right here. So market is dropping. We should expect a reaction. Once market comes to this support zone, then a buy. So first level is a level of 1.36234. Then our next level can now be a level of 1.36500. So we might want to target level of 1.36500 for the day on GBPUSD. If you find this analysis very helpful, do not forget to visit instaforex.com to actually get to learn more and also participate in the bonus that is currently going on.